Last part of the project 2 videos. Basically, so far what we did is inside the link folder you have one original image, second one was duotone, and two halftone screens with a different frequency. Okay, those techniques are we use in the graphic design world, doing the posters, book covers, you name it. Just a technique in the Adobe Photoshop. So you just step into the Photoshop, and by the every single project you will learn different techniques, and while you're learning those techniques you will use the certain tools and eventually learning the software. But while we're doing that, also we are learning some graphic design principles too. Okay, so let's go to our last part. Last part is involves Adobe Illustrator. So I want you guys to open the Adobe Illustrator, which mine is already open. And if you notice your project sheet, we say here, if you go all the way down, you will see the print images A and B using the Phaser, blah, 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 blah. None of those will happen in our semester, this winter semester, because you are not in the class. We are not printing any of them. Everything will be digital. Okay, so as you see here, texture black more paper will be 15" by 17" in the class. If you guys taking my class physically, you have to buy this paper, you have to print those, cut 5 by 5 and paste them, and present me as just like that. But we are not doing this. So we'll do the shortcut. We will make a PDF for this images. And how are we gonna do that? Start the learning Adobe Illustrator a little bit. Okay, so as soon as you click on the icon, it pops up this window and you will say new file. When you say new file, it will open this window. Here we are not using points, we are using inch, and if you remember, is 5 by 5 our size. Okay, and you will name this project underscore 02. Okay, bleed, it's something I will teach you guys during this semester, but I'm not going there. I don't want to make you guys confused, so it will stay as is. Color mode CMYK if you print it, but we are not printing. It will be RGB, which is screen color resolution. Okay, artboards, how many? Of course 4 of them, remember. So I will click on that. 2, 3, 4. Everything else as is, and I will say create. There you go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, all we have to do is now, Illustrator, guys, is the vector-based software. It's totally different than Photoshop. For example, if I do any shape here, and if I zoom in, doesn't matter how much I zoom in, is a straight lines. You see, if I do same thing in the Photoshop, these edges will be pixelated because the Photoshop is pixel-based software. Okay, but I'm gonna go back. Else, and I will delete that. All you have to do now, go to File, okay, and say Place. Before that, again, we will arrange this window workspace, essential classics. That's what we wanted, guys. Okay, essential classics. That's our view option. Okay, and align. There you go. I'm going to close this. Artworks can stay there. We don't need any text or anything. We will use this later on in the other projects. But in Windows section, there's a lot of sections here. As soon as I say click, it will pop up. That symbols right here. Okay, we don't need symbols. I just gave you the example. So if you turn on everything, it's going to be messier. A lot of windows will be here. You will not even use it. Okay, what you will use for this is artboards. 1, 2, 3, 4 artboard, and other thing is align window. Okay, as soon as you open the align window, can be like this. I don't know how it looks on your computer, but go here this side and say show options. As soon as you say show options, you will see that, and select this one, align to artboard. This is important. Okay, now all you have to do is, okay, click here, the first one, nothing happens. That's fine. You are in this selection tool. File, place. It will think a little bit. Okay. If you remember, if you're desktop, this is my, of course, folder structure. 2, and you will go to link. My first image color one. Just one click. You can do this too, like click drag. Okay, but this is for resizing. We are not resizing. It's already in Photoshop. Is 5 by 5, and our pages here is 5 by 5 too, right? All you have to do is just place it, go to first one click, boom. That's the original image size, is 5 by 5. As you see, manually you can put that here too, or you can go to align tool, horizontal, vertical, boom. That's it. Okay, now you will go to second one. See, this is the fourth one, this is the third one. You see what's going on in the artboard. As soon as you click it, it tells you which artboard. The second one will be, this order is important, guys. When you make PDF, it will go with order. So second one, place our due tone. I'm gonna click on here again, boom, boom, align, beautiful. Now I will go to my third one. See, third artboard. Okay, and I will place third one. That's the half tone screen. Nice. That's the high frequency. Now I'm the last artboard 4. Place for here. Click on that. Align vertical. Done. So your project 4 is done. Save this. Okay. Save on your computer. And this will go to not the link. This is really important. Project 2 inside the layout, because this is your final layout. Project 2. Save. Okay, it is there. Now, this Adobe Illustrator file. If you want to send this to your friend, Project 02 AI, which is Adobe Illustrator, he or she cannot open this because most people doesn't have this software. So what we do is we make PDF. Okay, how are we going to make the PDF? Okay, save a copy. Okay, all the way down here, Adobe PDF. Okay, of course this copy you can erase that. Okay, PDF, and I will say save to the layout folder. And you are still in Illustrator. We don't want that. We want press quality. Remember, press quality, so I can see your first image is high resolution image. This is really important. Press quality. Okay. And this compression is fine. Marks and bleeds. I'm not confusing you guys, but you will learn this, what to do. Anything else stays as is. Press quality. Okay. Save the PDF. Now I can close this. Now in my layout, I have project 2. Okay, actually I'm gonna make this lowercase. That's my habit. There you go. Let me rename, not the rename, to the lowercase this too. So now we have PDF. When you double click this, it will open this in the PDF. Okay, right here. You know what? I'm going to close everything here. Close all tabs. Open, and you will see how it opens. I don't want to open this like this. So there's a way, because it's like this is 229% big. I want to see this 100%. Whoever opens it, I want people to see this 100%, just like that. Okay? How are we going to do that? And some people are dumb and stupid enough, they might think this is just, that's it, it's just one page. Actually, when you scroll down, other pages are here. But some people cannot know. So how are we going to do that? There's a special settings. File, properties. Okay. In the properties, initial view, pages, panel, and page. This is really important, guys. If you don't do that, you will get not good grade. This is really important. Pages, panel, and page. Single page, actual size. Okay. Now I will close this. Close it. And it's going to ask me to save, of course, because we changed all the properties. Save. Now when I open this, it will be 100% actual size. And you will see the thumbnails off the left. So even dumbest people can know now there's other pages. Okay. So if you have a high resolution image, if you have a duotone, low frequency, sorry, high frequency, low frequency, if you do this, you get A+ from me. Okay. Good luck, and I'm waiting for still project 1. So please send me over those and work on this project 2, and project 3 will be on the way. Okay. Thank you very much.